Let's talk about monetizing ads and data. So in the Assumptions tab, in the section at the top, Choose Your Business Model, you will see that you can choose the 3 different business models here, but there's also a section down here that says Monetize via ads and or data. And you can turn this on or off. And so we'll just turn it on. And what this is, some companies make money by advertising. And there wasn't really a good way to capture that within these 3 business models. You could sort of capture it with transactions, but sometimes you have a transactions business model and you're also monetizing via ads and or selling data on top of that. And so when you click this checkbox, it turns on the ability to monetize via ads and or data. And so you set a start month and it'll tell you, and you can monetize from 2 sources, your customers and also your website visitors. And so it'll tell you how many customers you have and how many website visitors you have on any month you pick. So if I start, remember this is a 36-month model. So month 25 is month 1 of year 3. You'll see it updates and it'll tell me how many customers and how many website visitors I will have that month. And it will gray out. You'll see if I start in year 3, the year 1 and year 2 settings gray out. Whereas if I start in month 1, I get all 3 settings. And the only other settings are the average monthly revenue per customer. This is from your primary business model. Remember, you can stack business models or just choose one. If you just choose one, that's going to be your primary. If you choose more than one, you will have a primary and then 1 or 2 secondaries. And you'll see it just says on the right here, primary, secondary. And this will apply to the customers of your primary business model. And so you can drive revenue from ads, from data, or a combination. This is just the sum of ads and or data sales. And then this is per website visitor. And typically you can monetize the website visitors at a little bit less of a rate because you don't have as much information because they're not a customer. But you can set this to whatever you want, and this just creates a new revenue stream. So you'll see in the Customers tab here, here is the ads and data. Here are the ads and data calculations, and you will see here how many customers of the primary business model you have, here how many website visitors you have, and here's how that monetizes. So your customers, your primary business model, monetize here, and your website customers monetize here. This gives you a total, and that's it. And then if you go to the pitch deck slide, and pop open the revenue sub-tab, you will actually see ads and data start to appear here. And in this case, it's a low revenue amount, but you could go back and say, look, I'm actually, I'm making $1 for every website visitor, right? And so then you will see that these numbers, again, it's not that much. We 10x'd it, but it wasn't that much money to begin with. But you'll see that you can turn this on. And again, if I don't want it anymore, I can just turn it off and disable it. So enjoy, check it out, use it if it makes sense. These tend to be for high scaling businesses or for niche businesses with valuable customers or valuable data.